Doble yata.
Okay lang.
Now serving, Gatalian. Third serving from team Andy. Nandun si Dalinya. Pumasok, deflected. Nandun naman ang setter, Dalinya to the zoomer. Down the line, nandun si Mel. Dalinya is not by Manana. Pati Mel, tapos ang Mel. Joseph Roya gets the point on the second try. Anong nangyari? May tama? Ingat, ingat. Ingat. One, serving love. That's a chance of serving. Quick set to Ugay. Drapa yung pasa ni Roya. Roya drapa yung two, serving love. Gatalian serving 21st ball, Dalinya two. Buti, that's the point. One, serving, three. 2 points lead from the years. For the team. Pasabing, good service, niangat kay Rulia. Off the back, hit by Rulia. Cotillion with the 28th official score, 5, serving one. Cotillion, another heavy service. Ibabalik kay Jewel down the line. Nabasa and that's the point. Ugay. Third service, Cotillion to the captain, and the captain scores. Short service, good pick up. Pinag second, nandun si Gadong. Cotillion, kung Manawis, nabasa. Iyakangat kay Buki. And that is the clear. What was the 7, serving 2. Stop by Buki. 3, serving 7% lead Santos Society. Stuart Buki is on the service line. Short service. That's the low score. Stuart Buki. 477. Ano ba siya? With the same target, 577. Another second first ball. Six, serving 7. Combination play. Let's start. For Delia. Delia score. And we are tied at 7. Courtesy of Gilbert Bucci. Another set service, but better first ball this time, combination play. Let's say Rosalia. 3-1. Cotillion. Pumasok, deflected. Tumangarang, Dag, Manawis. Susa Turuya. Nakapagawa mo. 3-1, Watalari. Manawis with the second first ball. Ruya, Kuya, Select. Walang tao sa likod, sabi ni Joseph Ruya. Ooh, that's a check ball. 9, serving 7. Another city first ball, yang kay Mangawa and Mangawa from Little. Then a top error. 10, serving 7. Bumabalik ang kalamangan ng Santo Rosario. Another set service. Yang dunia Jack ng 20 ngayon, Gadong. Dunia! Break the head. The lead is back to 4-11, serving 7. Taking first ball. Dunia Jack. Back to back. Attack error. 1-7. Another 20 first ball. Cotillion from Manawi. That inside for Manawi. 13-7, 6-point lead. Courtesy of Joseph Ruya. Another 20 first ball. Good up. Deflected. Boom sa likod, down the line. Outside. The biggest lead of the set. Pumasok. Cotillion. Sugat sa yan. Mapapatawag ng timeout ng Santa Rita. 15-7 is our score. 8-point lead for Santo Rosario East. Mag-a-ice ba si Joseph Marulla? Or tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang kanyang pag-serve? Another good serve. Delina deflected. Papagawin to the block by Delina. 8-7-15. To the opposite side, Andito with the knob of the net. Andito, another shot service. The leader very nice. 17, 7, 8. Papagawin! And another through the back point by the leader. 9, serving 17, Rivera. Quick set. Delina, sa likod ng Lantisapa, Putilon, drop ball, nakuha ng mga hawak ng ugay. Good pick up by Daryl Zanad. Violation community ugay. 18-79, Manawi, Dr. Sansa, and Hatsaril. $19-39, 10-point lead, Santos Tayo. Hello? Good first ball. Sa opposite na lang. Rejected by Gatolian. 21-79. 12-point lead. Competitive play. The Lina stops the bleeding. 10-7-21. To the captain, and the captain scores. 22-7-10. Good first ball. Busi. With a score 11-7-22. Pasagi is on the service line. Good pick up by Lexa, pero hindi na nahabol. 23-11. Cotillion on the service line. Good first ball. Success Buti. God. Good. 24 set point. 7-11. Cotillion is serving. Good punting save. Cotillon to Ambito. Lucky break for Santa Rita. 1 match point save. Close to go. Ugay. Ugay! With a service. 11 match point na lamang save ng Santa Rita. Willa through the block, and that is the first set of the match. Next game for the women's category. Santa Cecilia versus